Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you out if you have a Bosch dryer and you're getting an E12 error on it. So what is this error and how to get rid of it? So this is a pretty simple error, we'll get right into it. The E12 error is an overheating error. So basically your machine is overheating, or at the very least, it thinks it's overheating. So the number one way to get rid of this, and this will fix the problem most of the time, is just to make sure that there is proper airflow and exhaust of the hot air. So you're going to want to check your exhaust hoses and make sure there are no clogs and no kinks that would be preventing proper airflow of your ducts. And then also, you're going to want to check your lens screens and just make sure your lens screens are clear and they are allowing airflow throughout the machine. So that should fix it in 90% of the cases. It should get rid of the overheating error. If it doesn't, it might be a sensor issue or it might be something else going on with the machine. But in that case, you're probably going to need a technician out to help you. So anyways, hope this video helped you solve the problem. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.